So this involves a whole lot more opening in the side waist, I find, versus handstand. And then what I'm going to do is walk my feet in, right, and bring my shoulders over my elbows, line my nose up with the middle of my forearms. One leg goes up to the sky. I'm going to hug the inner thighs towards each other, and then sweet hops, okay? Yeah, and then lifting the foot up off the ground. Again, I'm going to try to find balance with my legs open. I find this pose a lot easier to do than handstand because I've got more surface area to balance on, right? And then coming down. I'll do it again, and what I'll say is, once either you or your student finds balance with the legs open, then as slowly as you can, you work your legs towards each other. And why we do that slowly versus right off the bat is with the legs open to the sides, that seesaw action allows us to draw in, focus on the core without working on the legs. Once we have that engagement, then we slowly bring the legs together, and that's the inner thighs drawing in towards each other, which is the lower abdominals working. And that's going to give you a much more stable inversion.